At Rolling Green Elementary School in Boynton Beach, the mission is to create a community of lifelong learners who are responsible, learn with pride, and dream of a better tomorrow. Rolling Green students prepare for tomorrow by working every day with the latest technology. Many assignments are completed on iPads, and these fourth graders are learning computer code. They can program the characters on screen to go in any direction. These students are having fun while acquiring 21st century skills. Rolling Green also has a science lab.
Okay, so what is this? Sword. Very good.
In this lesson, students learn how to create electricity. The electrical circuit, just one of many hands-on projects introduced to these young scientists every day. Teachers at Rolling Green encourage students to think outside the box.
We're going to identify the struggle, the social issue, and describe how it relates in the real world.
The children share their opinions about the reading assignment. These teachers are passionate about helping students be the best they can be. The best in reading, writing, and arithmetic.
A dimension 3 or 3-dimension.
Expectations are high, and it's never too early to introduce complex concepts. These young students work hard to identify geometric terms. And at Rolling Green Elementary, there's a renewed emphasis on the arts. These vocal students are passionate about music. Their teacher wants them to know the building blocks of music. And the band room is full of first-time musicians. Students at the school have the opportunity to learn a new instrument. There are so many wonderful individual aspects to this school. But like an orchestra, the real magic happens when everything comes together.
I just like that it's comfortable and I feel safe here and that everything here is awesome.
An awesome school. That's Rolling Green Elementary. I'm Rick Blackwell for the School District of Palm Beach County, your best choice.